It's open. Guys, dumating na yung order namin na walker, guys. Yes, guys. Dumating na, guys. Open natin, guys, ha. Kasi kararating lang niya ngayon. Tingnan natin kung maganda siya, guys. You like this one, my love? This is for Baby Ariana. Tomorrow, I will, buy for you, ha?
Wow.
For now, this is for Baby Ariana muna, ha? Yeah. Guys, this is the final look, guys. Enjoy na enjoy yung aking baby sa kanyang walker, guys. Tingnan nyo naman, guys, oh. Ang ganda niya. Tsaka meron pa siyang paganito, guys. Oh, yan. May patunog-tunog pa siya. So, kung gusto nyo rin ito, guys, nasa yellow basket na yung aking link. Yan lang. Babush! Bati atin yan.